Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our class, let us recite doa together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alina hikmataka wa shur alina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidna ilman warzuqna fahman aw rahman 'allama al-Qur'an khalaqal insana 'allamahu bayan. ربي اغفر لي ولوالدي وارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم الحمد لله رب العالمين. Okay, we continue our lecture. Okay, so here we proceed to composite function. At the end of the lecture, you should be able to find the composite function. Find one of the function when the other and the composite function are given. Okay. So here, what is a composite function? Okay, consists of combination of two more basic function. Okay, which is the function. Okay, there exists a two, right? Okay, so two or more than. Okay, more than two basic function. Okay, so when there exists a more than two, okay, is called the composite function. Okay. So composite function G compose F is defined by G f x. Okay, so we call G f x. Okay, for each x in the domain of F for which fx is in the domain of G here. Okay, so look at here. When we say the G f x, so what should you do? You have to do fx first, then you have to do G. Okay, so this one is our domain for F. Okay, and this one is our range for F. Okay, how about this one? This one is domain for G and this one is a range for G. Okay, so composite function G compose F can be formed as this if and only if range F, okay, subset to the domain G. So look at here, okay, in the second circle, okay, consists of range F and domain G, okay, means the element of range F also in the domain G. Okay, or you can say that okay, this one same as a domain G compose F or domain GF. Okay, domain GF, and this one is range GF, right? Okay, so this one is our G compose F. Okay, automatically we know that okay, domain GF, okay, subset to domain F. Okay, means that element of domain G, okay, compose F, okay, also same as a domain F here. Okay, how about range? Okay, here range GF, okay, subset to range G here. Okay, because in the same circle. Okay. Next, the composite function F compose G. Okay, when we say that F compose G means that F GX here. Okay, so which element that we have to do? First GX. Okay, then F, right? And our X, okay, become GX, right? Okay, so for each X in the domain of G, for which GX is in the domain of F. Okay, so GX become domain of F here. Okay. So look at here, this one is our domain G, and this one is the range G, and this one is the domain F, and this one is the range F, right? Okay, so automatically we know that, okay, range G, okay, subset domain F. Okay, why we start range G, not domain F? Because of we start at G first. Okay, so then we go to the F, right? Okay, so look at here. Range G in the same circle of the domain F here. So this one in domain F and this one in range F. This one is domain G and this one is range G. Okay, so composite function can be formed as exists if and only if range G here, okay, subset to domain F. Okay, same, right? Okay, or when exists the composite function, okay, F compose G here means that this one is a domain FG and this one is range FG. Okay, so automatically we know that, okay, domain FG subset to the domain G, right? Because in the same circle here, okay, and the last part here, range FG is subset to range F here. Okay.